Hello, good morning and welcome to Dyana's kitchen. This morning, guys, I want to show you how to make some quick and easy oats, guys. Okay, I'm going to use some Jamaican oats, guys. If you don't want to use this one, you can use the 1 minute one, guys. I'm going to use some cinnamon, I'm going to use some sweet milk, I'm going to use some regular milk, a pinch of salt, I'm going to use some strawberry and some blueberry, all right, and some yogurt. Okay, guys, let's start. So this is my bowl. You can do it in a bowl, you can do it in a bottle, or you can do it in anything, in a cup, whatever. A little milk, guys, and then you want to throw your sweet milk. Okay, throw your sweet milk, guys. But guys, if you don't want to use sweet milk, you don't have to use the sweet milk. But for me, I like to use the sweet milk, Okay, guys, so once you mix out your sweet milk, what you want to do, you're going to throw your oats now. Okay, all right, guys. What you can do, you can leave this for about between 2 or 3 minutes, okay, for soak a little bit. Okay, guys, so I'm back. It's about 3 minutes now. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put in my favorite yogurt. Okay, so you put your favorite yogurt on top, guys. Like I said, this is very easy breakfast. You can do this even overnight if you want an overnight breakfast, grab and go. If you want something easy to grab and go in the morning, you're going to work, or even if you're home and you want something very simple just to grab and go, this is good, for a grab and go breakfast. So what you want to do, guys, right now, you want to put your favorite topping, is whether blueberry, strawberry, whatever your heart desire, you're going to put on it, your favorite topping. Okay, guys, so this is my daughter's favorite topping, because I'm making this, guys, for my baby girl. So I'm putting on her favorite topping. Oh, she's gonna absolutely love this, guys. She's going to love this. So, guys, I'm going to put some strawberry. Oh, that looks so good. She's gonna absolutely love this. Yep, I know she's gonna love this, guys. She's going to love this, guys. She's going to love this. Look at all of this fruits on top. Hey, guys, this is really good. This is a really good breakfast in the morning, guys. Really good breakfast. But make sure you put the oats to soak, guys. You can put it for about 2 or 3 minutes. Very easy. Okay, so what you want to do now, guys, you want to you don't have to do this part, guys. You don't have to do this part. But what I'm going to do, guys, what I said, you don't have to do this part, okay? But I'm going to do it, but you don't have to do it. Look at that. Just going to put a little bit over it like this. If I said you don't have to do this part, guys, okay? Then, there's a little pinch of cinnamon on top, Little pinch of cinnamon on top, guys. La, 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 la. Just a little pinch of cinnamon on top. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is my daughter breakfast. Okay, guys. All right, guys, it's finished. I know she's ready to eat, guys. All right. Guys, if you watch the video and you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment. If you want me to make something, please let me know. Okay, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.